Hi guys, this is Mr. Mark, and I want to give you a quick class on how you can get information on finding the UN Sustainable Development Goals. First, open up your browser, open Google Chrome, and in the search bar, type UN Sustainable Development Goals. Then click on the link. Once the link opens, it will take you to the UN page that talks about the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Once you're there, pick a goal. And if this ever opens, I'll show you how to do that. There it is. Okay, so pick a goal. So I'm going to pick life on land. Then once I'm in life on land, I scroll down a bit and pick kind of a subtopic. And then I click on forest. Then after I click the forest, a page will open up with information about the forest. Now if you're going to make a video, you can simply read off the screen. You don't have to reinvent the wheel on this. And you can start by talking to the video like this and then throw in pictures in your video of what you're talking about. Sustainable Development Goal 15 aims to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial, how do you say that? Ecosystem, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. And while you're talking about what you're reading on the screen, if you were to edit this in, you can edit pictures of what you're talking about, of the managing the forest, combating desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, and you can talk about those particular things or show pictures of those things. And that's all you have to do to make a video. It's really simpler than you think. So give it a shot. Let me know if you need help. Send me an email. I'm happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.